mountains and valleys, with our carabao, cattle, and horses. We used to shade under the crown of trees, fully armed with a cowboy hat and long robe. My dear friend, come and visit our nice place. It is wide and have a beautiful places. You will drink robusta coffee and fresh milk. You will ride our carabao and horses. Living in the mountains and valleys, with our carabao, cattle, and horses. We used to shed under the crown of trees, fully armed with a cowboy hat and long robe. My dear friend, come and visit our nice place. It is wide and have a beautiful places. You will drink robusta coffee and fresh milk. You will ride our carabao and horses. You will ride our carabao